is the elevator at Macys, Lehigh Mall in Whitehall, Pennsylvania. This is an OTIS, really old OTIS that is slapped on with EPCO. Let's get our cat view. It's pretty beat up. It's also pretty interesting. Looks like you'd have the normal cage ceiling, but then they slapped like some circle things to make it look like it was original like that. Alright, one, let's go back up. Watch this. That's a 3 button. There might have originally been a 3rd floor. One, I have no idea why it's already lit up. Hey, to go your phone, 4,000 pound capacity, and yeah, there probably was a 3rd floor, because that right there. I'm not sure what it is now. Going up.
Just hitching rides?
Yeah, video.
They should pay him for doing
If you make money off YouTube, I get a cut of it.
Have a good one, guys.
Are you an Eagles fan?
No, Dolphins.
Cowboys? Yeah, Cowboys.
Oh my god. Wow. There's probably going to be Eagles fans all around the mall today. That does not look good. That one's intact though. It's just that it probably doesn't let. Oh, car 4? Interesting. Okay. We'll figure that out later. Let's go up to 3. I like the original Lexan button.